Is Me by Louise Bennett. Is who that I say a who that? What a piece of liberty. Girl, you know is who you're talking to? Take a good look. Is me. Is me just push me head in there and did it playfully. And who said them not like it? Just tell them, say, is me. Tell them and watch them tremble, quake with humility. Call them and watch them bow and scrape when them see that is me. I is the ruling power, girl. I is authority. I make the country jump with joy or rock with misery. I is this country's staff and sword. Them fate and destiny. I push me hands which part I want because I is me. I make them kick you out before you can say 1, 2, 3. I don't make joke. I won't stand for insult or injury. A little moko for or come up chimpanzee like you must honor and respect me personality. If I just wag me finger, yeah? If I just shake me head, you and your job, this place here, the whole island here, fall down dead. So, mind how you ask who that. Don't use your tongue too free. Next time, when you say who that, make sure that is not me. Ay, ay, ay.